Introducing the Impulse AQ metal detector from Fisher Research Labs, setting a new standard for deep target sensitivity and extreme performance in the most challenging marine environments. The Impulse's pulse induction design sets a new standard for uncovering treasure on saltwater beaches. The Impulse delivers the deepest detection of any detector. The Impulse operates stable and consistent in the most challenging marine environments where all other detectors fail. The Impulse has variable iron reject, which identifies many iron targets, especially nails. The Impulse AQ delivers maximum sensitivity with lightning-fast recovery speed to find long-lost treasures buried in iron-infested beaches. Find deep gold that no other detector can reach. Spend more time hunting. Reduce fatigue in those challenging beach environments thanks to the Impulse's lightweight design and perfect balance. Choose from 4 different modes. Use the all-metal mode for the absolute deepest detection. All targets will sound the same. Switch to tone mode to differentiate between low and high conductors. Tone mode is especially useful at nail-infested sites. In mute mode, high conductor responses, including nails, are suppressed. Mute mode otherwise similarly differentiates low from high conductors. Use volcanic sand mode for beaches with volcanic ground matrix. Beginners can rely on default settings as marked on the faceplate. Experienced users can take expert control with these advanced features. Adjustable pulse delay. Lower the setting to 7 microseconds for excellent sensitivity to small gold. Increase the pulse delay for stability in high salt environments. There are 10 frequency offset selections to minimize electrical interference. Use the reject control to set the point at which iron objects are rejected from detection. Adjust the response speed using ATS, set to slow for better depth or fast for variable ground conditions. The Impulse AQ comes with waterproof headphones and your choice of an 8-inch or 12.5-inch open-face neutral buoyancy mono-loop surge coil. The Impulse's high reactivity system and zero target separation technology will find more treasure and the deepest gold in the most adverse conditions. This is the beach detector you've been waiting for.